Hey everybody, this is Amanda Stevens with I Love Jesus and Jewelry, coming at you live today with a nail tutorial that is super simple, easy, very inexpensive. It's like $4, lasts about 10 days. Be sure to share this so your friends can learn some new tips. You want to share the love? I'll wait a few minutes to see if anybody hops on real quickly before I get started. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday. Can y'all see well, nobody's on here to tell me. Never mind. When people hop on, I'll ask. If nobody hops on, I totally understand because it is lunchtime and people are still working. Nobody hops on, it's okay. They can always catch the replay. I've had so many people ask me about my nails. I thought it would be fitting to do a nail tutorial. Of course, you're going to start off with naked nails. You're not going to, I always use a cleaner to remove my polish. I use this one right here. It's called Onyx Professional. It's made by Coconut, the same company that I use for my nail stuff. I use it because it says it removes gel nails, nail polish, artificial nails, nail glue, glitter polish, and more. And sometimes these nail overlays I use do have the glitter in there, and this gets it off super quick and easy. And all you do is you just use a little bit of this on a cotton ball. Hey, Mama. Mama, make sure to share this to my personal page, please. The product I'm going to be using today is In Coco Coconut Nail Art is what it says. I know it's backwards to y'all. This is how it comes. It comes in the nail section at Walmart on the nail aisle where the polish is. It's like $4 and some change. If you get the French manicure, which is a two-step process, I think they're like $6. Those are really pretty too. I might do a tutorial on those too. It does have instructions on the back here. But what you're gonna get in your box is, this one has some extras in here, y'all. A little freebie that I love. Like I told you, glitter is on some of them. It has this little instructional book that I don't use. You won't need it after I show you. You'll be fine. You have an orange stick in here, so it's got a cuticle pusher on one side and then a point on the other. You have a little emery board, but I'm going to use my big one. I just like it better. But I have used a little one before. Then you have, in a clear packet, you'll have your nail overlays. Word to the wise, do not open these until you're ready to use them. If you open them and don't use them right away, they become really brittle and they don't work well. So leave them sealed up in here until you're ready to apply them. But this one has a bonus in here, y'all. This one has your bonus glitter. And I'm going to show you how I like to use these. You can also use these on your toes. Hey, Terry! You can use these on your toes too, but I've never done that. But I'm sure people do. Hey, Mama. So, this is the box, Terry. In Coco is the company. You get this on the nail aisle at Walmart. It's like $4 and some change for this one. The French manicure is a two-step process. I'll do a tutorial on it one time too, but it's like $6 and some change. Before you get started, hey, Tanya, you're going to use this. This is what I use to get all the residue off my nails. This is made by the same company. You can see the coconut right here. I use it because it removes gel nails, nail polish, artificial nails, nail glue, glitter polish, and more. It works a lot quicker than regular nail polish remover with acetone in it. So inside your box, like I said, you're going to get these, your sheets of nail overlays, a little emery board, an orange stick. That's what these are called. They're just a little wooden stick. I don't know why they call them orange sticks. Hey, Trina. You're going to have your cuticle pusher here. and a little point here. And I'll show you how you're going to use those. So like I said, do not open these until you're ready to use them. I kind of shake them down to the bottom so I don't rip any of them. There's a little tear tab here. You're going to open them. These are called, the pattern I got is called Peach Punch. And they're going to come like this. So that you have 2 sheets. Like you can see, hey Rebecca, you have a little design on there. You have a plastic overlay, and then you have the nail, and then you have a paper back, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and open these, that I got a bonus one with a glitter. That makes me excited, y'all. I do like glitter nails. I don't like glitter, like craft projects. I hate that. That is of the devil. I hate glitter. I don't like Avalee to have glitter on stuff. It gets all in my car. It gets in my everywhere. But on your nails, in these, is perfectly acceptable. Okay. So your bonus is 4. Okay? You have 4. Like I said, you take this on a cotton ball. I'll go ahead and do it again just to make sure I don't have anything on there. So you just put a little on a cotton ball and rub your nails. Get them clean so that they're going to stick really well. If anybody has any questions as I'm doing this, feel free to ask. I do not mind. I've been doing these for a long time. If you've ever used the Jamberries, which I have not because I'm too frugal, I'm not going to pay that much money for a nail thing. Let that dry for a minute. Hey Sandy. Hey Tanya. I'm showing you how to do my nails today. This is what we're using today. The In Coconut nail. You get them at Walmart for like $4. I have tiny hands, y'all. Y'all can see I have little tiny fingers. Long fingers. So I don't ever use this big one. So I always just go ahead and tear that one off because I know it's too big for me. You could, however, use that. Like that would fit my big toe perfect. And so you could put that on your big toe. And if you have one of these colors that go with it, use this as an accent and paint your toenails to match. Perfectly acceptable. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take these. Hey, Sarah. And you're just going to try and find what one is going to match your, what fits your nail. So you're going to put it at the nail bed and see what works. Let's see. I don't think. Okay, I'm going to get this one and I'm going to peel. Thanks for sharing, Terry. I'm going to peel the top little layer off. It's just plastic. And then it has a silver tab right there where you're going to peel up. And I get it on my finger like this. And I take the thumb, and I always start with my thumb. And you're just going to put it on your nail at the base of your nail bed. Like that. And you're going to go up from the bottom and smooth up with your other finger. You can get all the air bubbles out as the best you can. So you're going to have that. It's going to be, see how it's hanging over? That's excess. So you're going to just roll it to the tip of your nail. There. And just continue to work the little creases out the best you can. They're not going to be perfect, y'all. Then you get your file. And you're going to just go along the edge of your nail. Okay, and then you're just going to peel that off because it's disconnected because you filed it off. And I just will start a little stockpile over here to the side of the little, and then I'll throw it away. Then I have that. So what I'm going to do is if I have a little extra, I take the cuticle pusher part and go around the edge and clean it up. And just, it comes right off. See? That's all you do. And you can just smooth it out. Make sure the end is still filed off good. You don't see any excess hanging over. And that is the first one. Okay, then I'm going to take and see what one fits me next, because like I said, my fingers are little. Find it. Peel the plastic off. Get the silver tab. Pull it up. Pull the paper away from it. Put it at the base of my nail bed. And y'all, before I did this, I did shape my nails up. I shaped my nails up yesterday. Hey, Missy. And you're just going to start at the base of your nail and work the air pockets out. So you're just going to smooth up. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the end of my nail and fold. I just kind of fold over like that. And then I get my nail file and file the end of my nail. But I did shape my nails yesterday, so, but I would normally do that before. But I went live last night, so. Yes, it's so easy, Terry. Then you're going to take your orange stick again, and I just go around the edge and make sure everything's down and that it's on there good and neat. And I might file again just to make sure. Like I said, these last for about 10 days, and like I wash my hands a lot. You can ask my mom if she's still on here, or my mother-in-law. I wash my hands all the time. I'm OCD about germs because I was so sick for so long. I don't like to get sick. So I do wash my hands a lot and use a lot of hand sanitizer. So that's that one. So that one's plain. This one had a design on it. So you can mix it up. The glitter one, I'm going to use on my ring finger. But you don't have to. You could do whatever you wanted to make the look you want. Okay? The next one, I'm going to do a pattern because I just like to do patterns. Peel it off. Take the plastic off. Peel up the silver tab. And y'all, this protects your nails. My nails are in good shape. I'll show you in just a minute what they look like with no polish on, because I know y'all always see me with polish on my lives. But I'm not flipping y'all off. Sorry, Mama, I was not giving them the finger. You mash that down. I am double jointing, y'all. That's freaky, I know. And then you're just going to bend it over the end of your nail like that. And I kind of just put a little pressure there with the other nail. Get my file. Like I said, these can be found at Walmart. You can also get them on Amazon if you wanted to order them and have them shipped to your house. I think Walmart has them online as well. And if you look, sometimes they have the holiday. Like I think I bought Halloween ones one time. I think I saw online today they had Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, all of the holidays. I think they had some red, white, and blue ones. So if y'all wanted to get some and you ordered them on Amazon before Memorial Day, you could have red, white, and blue fingernails. They had some with like the flag design on them. See, that one's got the design. And I just go around with the orange stick with the point and go around my cuticle to make sure everything's smooth and clean. And that looks professional, y'all, and it was $4. $4. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the glitter because I want that on my ring finger. I like a little bling in my life. Y'all know that if you know, watch me sell my paparazzi. You just peel that off. And the glitter is smooth. It's not got a texture to it. You just line it up with your nail bed there. And you go to the end of your nail. That one came right off. I didn't even have to file, but I'm going to file it to make it smooth and neat. I'm giving away all my secrets, y'all. Y'all think I've got my life all together and I have these good nails, but then y'all are seeing that how easy it is, and you're like, God, I can do that. All right, I'm going to have to clean this one up a little bit, y'all, so I'm going to take this orange stick and go around the edge there. And that's the glitter. Like I said, when you go to take these off after your 10 days, when it starts to like, because this is going to chip. It's like regular nail polish. So with wear and tear, it's going to start to chip a little bit. When that happens, you just get you some of this. It's in the nail aisle at Walmart too. And put it on a cotton ball. And the glitter is going to be, you're going to have to be a little more aggressive to get that glitter off. But it comes off really easy with this stuff compared to regular nail polish remover. Okay, I'm going to get this one for my pinky. Y'all have any questions? This, actually, this company in Coco has a lot of, nail stuff. A whole line of stuff for your nails. It's already in a sheet. It's just a sheet of nail polish, Terry. That's why I love it. I'm a mama. I don't have time for my nails to dry. I really do not. I have other stuff to do in my life. When I was a little girl, I used to ask my mama to paint my nails all the time because I was a girly girl, and my sister was the one who played sports and stuff. She could have cared less if her nails were painted, but I wanted my nails painted all the time. And I remember being a little girl, and my mama would not want us to touch anything because back then they didn't even have the quick dry that I use on my little girl nail. They just had your old nail polish. So mama would have me walk around in a circle, and we had a circular rug in our living room, and I'd walk around and I'd wave my hands like this until they were dry. I remember doing that so many times as a little girl. So that's my pinky. So y'all, I did this whole hand in a matter of what? 5 minutes. If I hadn't been talking to you, it would have been less than that. So that is how you do it. So you have some plain, you have some with a little design, and then of course this had the extra glitter in there. And they look great. Nice and summery. Yeah, you find it on the nail aisle where the little, it'll be bottles where your nail polish is, and then these are up on the shelf like this. And if you wanted the French manicure, they're not in a box like this. They're in a package similar to kind of like this in a box. Hey, Treasure. But like I said, the French manicure, it's a 2-step. So you're going to have the sticker with the tip, and so you're going to line the tip up with the white of your nail, and then you have a clear coat you're going to put over the whole thing. You file it off. It's just a 2-step process instead of the 1. Hey Lisa, I just showed everybody how I do my fingernails and what I use. So catch the replay. You get these at Walmart. They are $4 and some change. They last about 10 days, give or take. And mine came with a sheet of the glitter extras, and I used that one on my ring finger. But like I said, you could, whatever look you want to do. They have all different kinds of patterns and colors. It's fun. I like to change it up and pick different stuff. Like they have some of the neuter, like tans and stuff that's not real vibrant if you don't like bright flashy colors. But that is how I do my nails. If you have any questions after you watch the replay, or you think of something, feel free to message me, share this video. I hope y'all have a blessed Wednesday, and I may see y'all later for a pop-up sale for my paparazzi jewelry, because I got some jewelry in and I might want to share it. See y'all later. Bye.